Look up at the night sky, it's full of twinkling stars. They seem to dance and sparkle, but why? It's all thanks to science. Stars are giant balls of hot gas. They give off their own light. This light travels a long way to reach us on Earth. Stars are very, very far away. This makes them look tiny, like points of light. Even the biggest stars are just tiny dots in the sky, but their light travels across the vast universe to reach our eyes. It's an amazing journey. Have you ever wondered why stars seem so much closer than they really are? It's because their light is so bright. Our eyes see the light and our brains tell us something is there. The twinkling makes them seem even closer, like they're winking at us. But there's more to it than that. The twinkling of stars isn't just because they're far away, it's also because of the air around us. It's like looking through a giant lens that's constantly moving. Imagine a beam of light leaving a star. It travels through the emptiness of space at an incredible speed. Nothing stops it, nothing slows it down. This journey can take millions of years. It's a long time, but starlight is patient. When starlight reaches Earth, it runs into our atmosphere. This is the layer of air that surrounds our planet. It's like a blanket that protects us from the coldness and emptiness of space, but it also plays tricks on starlight. The Earth's atmosphere is always moving. It's full of pockets of warm and cold air. As starlight passes through these pockets, it gets bent and bounced around. This bending of light is called refraction. It's the same thing that makes a straw look broken when you put it in a glass of water. This constant bending and bouncing is what makes stars appear to twinkle. It's like they're dancing to a tune we can't hear. But this dance is just an illusion caused by our atmosphere. Think of the Earth's atmosphere as a giant swimming pool. When you look up at the stars from the bottom of the pool, they seem to shimmer and dance. This is because the water, like our atmosphere, bends and distorts the light coming from the stars. The air in our atmosphere is always on the move. Wind, temperature changes, and even sound waves can cause the air to swirl and mix. This turbulence creates the twinkling effect we see in stars. The lower a star is in the sky, the more it seems to twinkle. That's because its light has to travel through more of the Earth's atmosphere to reach us. It's like looking through a thicker part of the pool. On some nights, stars might seem to twinkle more than usual. This happens when the atmosphere is especially turbulent. It's like someone's stirring up the pool. You might have noticed that planets, unlike stars, usually don't twinkle. They shine with a steady light. This is because planets are much closer to Earth than stars. They appear bigger in the sky, even though they don't produce their own light. Because planets are closer, they look like tiny disks of light rather than pinpoints. The light from a planet is spread out over a larger area. This means that the bending of light caused by the atmosphere is less noticeable. Think of it like this. If you shine a flashlight through a prism, you get a rainbow of colors. But if you shine a spotlight through the same prism, you still see a bright white light. The larger source of light is less affected by the prism. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember stars twinkle because of their distance and the way their light interacts with our atmosphere. Planets, on the other hand, shine steadily because they are closer and their light is less affected by atmospheric turbulence.